now it's my turn to explain a story, to tell you a story, but you have to give me 3 words.
Okay. So we can. I am going to give three words. Like
What was that word?
one day.
One day.
First
This
word
is
is
one
one
word.
day.
Then, hmm?
Old man. Old man.
Old man. Old man. Okay.
Stole.
Old man and
Stole. Stole.
I'm not getting this word.
Stole. Means churana. Still means we can say still means churana.
No, your voice is not audible. Can you spell it out? Can you tell me the spelling of this word?
Okay, we can say some word, new word I can give you. Okay, we can say hungry. Okay. Is it okay?
Old.
Hungry.
Okay, one day old man and hungry. Okay.
Yes, yes. You have to make a story by using this.
Okay, okay, okay. Once upon a time, there was a old man. That old man was staying alone in his house, and he had some daughters and his sons as well. But they left the old man. Then one day the old man was thinking that, like, he should die. Like, he did not want to live anymore because of his lonely life. So one day what happened? One day the old man was cultivating land, and after that a hungry beggar came to him. That beggar was more old. That beggar was older than him. Okay, so the beggar was begging something, begging him that, give me, can you give me some coins or some money, so that I am feeling very hungry and I want to eat something, I want to buy something and I want to eat something. Then old man told about his condition, that I am also running out of money, I don't have money. I am, see, in this age I am cultivating land and I am earning money, by working hard. So how can I give you money? I need to ask some questions to you. Then that old man, that beggar was still there. The beggar was not going from there. Then the old man said, old man, he was thinking in his mind that, oh, this beggar is, staying here for a long time and he's not going. I should do something for him. Then the old man said that, okay, I don't have money, I can't give you money, but I can give you food as I am cultivating land. So the old man took him to his house. Then the beggar had rice and some vegetable and curries. He ate there, and after that the beggar gave him 1 rupee. But what happened when then after that the beggar went out from his house. So the beggar said that, thank you for giving me food and thank you for helping me this much. Then the beggar went out from his house. Then the old man kept the coin in a pot, and after that, in the afternoon, he took the coin to buy something. He wanted to go to market to buy something. Then he took the coin. After that, he noticed that the coin turned gold coin. The coin became a gold coin. Then the old man was thinking that, I am cultivating land and I am earning money. And I
Your
should give
voice,
this money. Then the old man was thinking that,
voice,
what?
your voice is
Then
not coming
what
sometimes.
should I do? Oh, really?
Hello? Maybe network issue there
Am I
also.
audible now?
You are
Am I
able,
audible now?
yes, you're visible, but your video is getting stuck.
Okay, okay. I was saying that the coin turned into gold coin. The coin
Yes, yes,
suddenly
yes.
transferred into gold coin, and after that, the old man took the coin to the market and he sold the coin, and he got a lot of money, a handsome money, by selling that coin. After that, the old man got back home and he was thinking that, what will I do with this money? Then the old man was, he was trying to get connected with his children, I mean his sons and daughters. and suddenly that his daughters and sons also got to know that their father have become a rich one, and after that the daughter and sons they both accepted their father, and after that they lived happily with each other. So
Yes, yes,
this was the story. After that the
yes,
old man
yes.
spent his life with happiness, and
It was really
and one day
nice.
the old man died. Yeah, one day the old man died, and all the property got back to his sons and daughters. So this was the story.
Okay, it was really nice story you told me. You made and a beautiful story. You can say.
Yeah, I was imagining something that what should I tell, what should I tell. Then suddenly I thought that, oh yeah, I can
Yes,
do
yes.
something new. I can
If
add
we do
something new.
practice for something, suppose we are making a story and we are doing practice of telling a story, so what happened? We get habitual with
Hmm.
that. But I am getting
Yeah,
like a
obviously,
second time.
obviously.
This story I am speaking second
Okay,
time.
okay.
First time I spoke, I think before 3 or 4 months,
No,
one time only.
if you practice speaking like this way, then definitely you will be habituated. And at that time, you don't
Yes,
need to
yes,
think anymore. The sentences and phrases and words will
yes.
automatically come to your mind. Like, you
And
will
it
be
is
able to
good
imagine. Yeah,
because
it will be okay. Even,
we are
when
telling
I
about
started
past.
making story, when I started making story first time, that time also I was facing the same issue. So don't worry, it will be okay.
Yes, yes. The first time it happened when we do not get some sentence, we do not get some words for speaking.
Obviously, it happens. Okay, so next time when
Yes,
you will practice with other, then you can play the same game. I can give you
yes,
another
yes, I
activity
will.
if you are interested, but it's already 15 minutes.
Well, it is enough, because I think if we make more long videos, so people do not like watch.
Hmm.
And it
Yeah,
takes
obviously.
long time for editing as well.
Okay. Okay, so
Okay,
then
bye
bye.
bye. So
Bye. It was fabulous
nice
conversation with.
conversation.
It was fabulous
Yes, yes,
conversation with you,
yes, yeah, really nice conversation with
and I would
you.
love to connect with
Bye
you
bye.
again. Bye.
Okay, bye notes.
Yeah.